Well, as ChatGPT grows its resume, it could very well come after your job. About what industries are already feeling the impact on.
Which jobs is AI coming after first?
If you're a middle manager, you're doomed. Any kind of commodity salesperson, report writers and journalists, accountants and bookkeepers.
Will it take my job?
Yes and no.
Are you looking for a new way to earn money and leverage your skills in AI? With the rising demand for AI services, there's never been a better time to start selling your expertise in this field. Today we will explore the exciting world of AI services and show you how you can turn your knowledge into profitable income stream. From offering AI designed digital arts to writing YouTube video scripts, the possibilities are endless. Get ready to discover how you can use your skills in AI to create successful business and earn money by doing what you love. With the rise of AI and machine learning, it's now possible to create stunning digital art using platforms like Midjourney. By harnessing the power of AI, artists can generate unique and intricate designs that were once only possible through manual creation. Platforms like Etsy and Zazzle offer an online marketplace where artists can sell their AI-designed digital art. These platforms can be a lucrative way for artists to earn money. By creating unique and eye-catching designs, artists can build a successful online business. In short, by leveraging the power of AI and optimizing their online shops, artists can build a successful business and share their art with the world. AI has revolutionized many industries, including scriptwriting. We can use AI tools like Copy AI or ChatGPT to both generate ideas and write about it. Selling scriptwriting services using AI is an excellent way of making money as a freelance writer. AI-powered tools can help you generate ideas quickly and efficiently, saving you time and allowing you to take on more clients. Additionally, AI can assist with language optimization, ensuring that your scripts match the desired tone and style of your clients. You can sell your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, where they actually have a separate section for AI services.
AI voice generation can be a lucrative opportunity for selling services on Fiverr. With the advancement in deep learning and language processing, AI-generated voiceovers now sound remarkably human-like. This technology is in high demand, as many people require realistic and natural-sounding voices for their projects. In fact, even the voice you are currently hearing is entirely AI-generated.
Creating AI voices and selling them on freelance platforms is within reach for anyone, thanks to the availability of various AI tools that can produce realistic voiceovers. And one such tool is Wellsaid Labs. Wellsaid Labs is an innovative AI-powered tool that offers high-quality voice generation services. This tool leverages deep learning algorithms and natural language processing to create human-like voices that sound authentic and engaging. We can then sell these AI-generated voiceovers on freelance platforms for others to use it in their project. In conclusion, AI technology offers endless opportunities to monetize your skills, and by leveraging thousands such AI tools, you can monetize anything digitally.